Area 1.
Good morning, Mr. Buffett and Mr. Munger. My name is Steve Yates. I'm from Chicago. I'm a Berkshire shareholder, and this is my 6th year coming to this meeting. I'd like to thank you for all your time and advice through the years. It's been great. I'd also like to thank all those wonderful people who sold Berkshire this year for giving us an opportunity to purchase more of the world's greatest company for dirt cheap prices.
We will convey your thanks.
I own another stock which sells for 4 times current trailing earnings. Every quarter we get a report. Earnings go up, sales go up, cash flow goes up, the equity base expands, they gain market share, and the stock goes down. The company has a 60% 5-year annualized growth rate and sells at 4 times earnings. I have 2 related questions. First, is this a growth stock or a value stock? And could you please give us your definitions of these terms? Second, the company sells recreational vehicles. Demographic trends in the recreation and leisure areas, RVs, cruise lines, golf equipment, etc., seem to be quite good. Do you see any opportunities for Berkshire here? Thanks.
Well, the question about growth and value we've addressed in past annual reports, but they are not 2 distinct categories of business. Every business is worth the present. If you knew what it was going to be able to disgorge in cash between now and Judgment Day, you could come to a precise figure as to what it is worth today. Now, elements of that can be the ability to use additional capital at good rates. And most growth companies that are characterized as growth companies have that as a characteristic. But there is no distinction in our minds between growth and value. Every business we look at as being a value proposition. The potential for growth and the likelihood of good economics being attached to that growth are part of the equation in evaluation. But they're all value decisions. A company that pays no dividends, growing 100% a year, is losing money now. That's a value decision. You have to decide how much value you're going to get. Actually, it's very simple.